In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to see appointments on Calendly. Managing your schedule effectively is crucial, and Calendly makes it simple to stay on top of your upcoming appointments. So let's walk through the process together. First, you'll need to go to calendly.com. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL in the address bar. Once the site loads, you'll see the homepage, which gives you a brief overview of the services Calendly provides. From here, the next step is to log in. Look towards the upper right corner of the page for the login button. Clicking this will take you to the login screen. On the login screen, you'll find several options to proceed. You can choose to continue by entering your email address and password manually, but Calendly also offers a more streamlined way. You can log in by selecting Continue with Google or Continue with Microsoft if your accounts are linked with either. This is not only time-saving but also secure, allowing you hassle-free access with just a click. Once you've logged in successfully, you are directed to your dashboard where all your activities are managed. Here you'll see an overview of all your appointments, both upcoming and past ones. This is the central hub from where you'll manage and view your calendar. Now, let's examine how you can filter and view specific appointments. Calendly conveniently allows filtering based on various criteria. Look for options where you can sort appointments by date, choosing either upcoming or past events. You might also want to view appointments by event type. This is particularly useful if you conduct multiple kinds of meetings or events through Calendly. Additionally, you can search using the attendee's name or email. This feature is especially beneficial if you have a high volume of meetings and need to locate particular ones quickly. Once you have applied the necessary filters or located the appointment you are interested in, the next step is to view the appointment details. Click on the specific appointment, and this will bring up all relevant details for that meeting, including the date, time, attendees, and any notes or information associated with it. This feature is excellent for preparation, ensuring that you have all the necessary details at your fingertips before any meeting takes place. Remember, mastering the simple process enables you to keep on top of your schedule effortlessly. It's all about staying organized and professional without stress. So keep practicing, and soon you'll navigate Calendly like a pro. Don't forget to explore other features Calendly has to offer that can optimize your time management even further. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy scheduling.